Okay, so I've got a quick video here for you on the Scorpion 80. This is the non-HD version. I did a video a little while ago on the HD version, which looks like this here. It has the Runcam Split Mini 2 HD camera in there. For some reason I got this one first, even though this model came out later than the non-HD version. Now these are, as you can see, very much similar to the Spedix Rex 80 and 80 HD. In fact, I believe it's all made at the same factory, just different colored canopies. All of the electronics are exactly the same, including the motors. So yeah, if you're looking for similar comparison videos, the Spedix Rex 80 and 80 HD would be pretty much the same as these guys. But this video is about the non-HD version here. Just want to talk about the differences between this guy and the HD version. They fly pretty similarly. This one obviously is lighter because it doesn't have the HD camera system in there. And in fact, let me just give you the weight differences here so you guys can know really what the differences are. So 44.6 grams for the non-HD version, and the HD version is coming in at 54.3 grams. So it's about 10 grams heavier, about 10 grams heavier for the HD version versus the non-HD version. That does make a pretty significant difference in terms of performance and flight. This is a little bit more acrobatic, but it's not a huge difference. Now I did fly it with the same 520 G&B 3S LiPo on here, and it does have the same tray versus flat tray option here with the Velcro strap. If you want to go that route, that's what I would recommend, and use one of these batteries. It seems to perform pretty good. I just flew with the tune that came out of the box. Another difference is that this one came with the XM Plus receiver, which has the dual diversity antenna, the two antennas here, whereas the HD version came with the XM receiver with only one antenna in the back. So kind of weird. I'm not sure what happened there. Yeah, you'd think that they would both come with XM Plus, but yeah, this is the way it came. Another difference I noticed is that the way the plugs are on the ESCs, they're sideways on the HD version, and on the non-HD version they're vertical. So that makes the difference here on this side where the USB port is. It kind of blocks it a little bit. So yeah, I'm not sure what's up with that either. But yeah, that's pretty much it. You want to see the rest of the specs on, they're pretty much the same as the 80 HD. If you check out that video, I'll put a card in the corner for that video. And mainly the difference is the camera and HD system. This is the Caddx EOS 2. This one is a 16:9 version, I believe, and it comes in PAL, at least mine did. So those things you don't like PAL or 16:9, then yeah, it's something you should be aware of. Might have to switch the camera out. Yeah, but I think a lot of these parts here are also in a stack that I'm going to be making a video on, because if you want to just get the stack for maybe building some other type of build, you could just do that, because I know these electronics are kind of popular for these ultra lightweight builds, and including these little motors here. These are the 1103, 11,000 kV. These are pretty popular motors for these alternative builds. But yeah, if you see a special in this guy, you want to use these parts in another type of build, this is a good source to get all of these parts in one spot, and then say put them onto like an ultra light, sort of frame, and use a bigger prop here. Seems to be a trend right now, using these sort of whip props or whip style electronics into more of a traditional micro racer. But yeah, anyway, rambling long enough on this guy. Here's some flight footage for you. If you guys have any questions, let me know, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.
Oops.